Bea Alonzo at Dominic Roque. Yung mga nakaraan po nilang karelasyon hanggang ngayon nadadamay, nahahalukay ang...
Matapos ang ilang linggong pag-iingay ng mga balita patungkol sa hiwalayan ni Bea Alonzo at Dominic Roque, naglabas na ng pahayag ang aktor ngayong Pebrero 20. Sa pamamagitan ng Fernandez Singson Law Offices, inihayag ni Dominic Roque ang kanyang panig patungkol sa mga alegasyon umano sa kanya sa ilang blogs ng entertainment reporter na si Christy Fermin. We strongly condemn the malicious and defamatory public statements of Ms. Fermin, ang panimula ng nasabing pahayag. Ilan sa binigyang linaw ay ang condo unit ng aktor na umano'y nakapangalan kay Mayor Bullet Jalocios. Inamin nitong umuupa siya sa naturang unit, subalit walang katotohanan na benefactor niya ito gayong matagal na niyang kaibigan ang pamilya nito. He is embarrassed and apologizes to Mayor Bullet Jalocios and his family for being dragged into the public conversation because of the malicious, defamatory public innuendos of Ms. Fermin. Gayon din ang sinasabing prenuptial agreement na pawang espekulasyon lamang ng marami na posible umanong dahilan ng pagtatapos ng engagement nila ni Bea Alonzo. Reckless statements relating to the alleged disagreement over a prenuptial agreement between them are not only unverified, but merely based on speculations intended to produce a negative image on the parties concerned.
Almost more than 10 years na namin ang pagkakaibigan namin, no? Magbabarkada talaga kami. Nag-umpisa yan sa pagmumotor, nagkakarera kami sa Clark, and then from there, naging good friends kami. We started doing, ang dami, mga businesses, nagtutulungan kami, kaya nakakapagtaka na umabot sa ganito na even ang genders namin ang pinagkakaguluhan na ngayon ng marami at nagtatanong kung talagang lalaki ba talaga kami, no? So,
Mayor Bullet Jalocios and Kong. Bong Sante recently granted an interview where they flatly denied rumors of them having romantic links with actor Dominic Roque. It can be recalled that the planned wedding of Dominic with actress Bea Alonzo was suddenly called off after certain alleged discoveries made liwa the family of Bea. Among such supposed discoveries were alleged romantic links between Dom and certain political personalities. There were also talks identifying alleged political personalities as Mayor Bullet and Kong. Sante, with the former referred to as the alleged sugar daddy of Dom, while the latter is said to have given the actor a fuel pumping station. During the interview, Mayor Bullet and Kong. Sante denied the rumors of alleged romantic involvement with Dom, insisting that the actor is just their friend. Mayor Bullet also admitted ownership of the condo where Dom is staying, though clarified that the actor is renting it from him at half the price. Clarify ko lang, actually yung condo totoong akin talaga yon, Mayor Bullet said. Ginawa ko siyang Airbnb. Siyempre, as a friend, barkada, si Dom, asked me if I want to have it rented, the mayor of Dapitan further said. Natawa na nga lang ako bakit tumalon yung issue sa business na binahay na, he added. Kong. Sante, for his part, also denied rumors saying he bought and gifted the actor with fuel pumping station, saying that Dom is just a brand ambassador for his fuel station business. Kung talagang magre-research lang makikita nila as early as 5 years ago talagang brand ambassador na si Dominic, the legislator said. Ang nakakagulat nga yung pinost pa nilang picture, yung contract signing namin ni Dom Kong. Sante concluded.
Nakakatawa lang yung issue. Actually, pinagtatawanan lang namin. But it's anyways, it's a good time also to clarify things, no? Yung totoo lang, yung gusto natin i-clarify para malaman din.
Yes, Jay, alam mo, tama sinabi ni Mayor Bullet, matagal na kaming magbabarkada, kagaya ng sinabi niya, started with similar passions for riding motorcycles, cars, at masasaya kaming magkakasama. In fact, yung passion na yan led to the formation of a group, yung tinatawag namin Euro Monkeys, which is a group that where Mayor Bullet, myself, si Dominic, si Dingdong Dantes, Richard Gutierrez, Kim Atienza, and some other people, sila Doc Yapi, sila Emil Bano, belongs dahil pare-pareho. We both share similar taste, similar passions, and of course yung love for riding motorcycles. Throughout the years, lagi kaming magkakasama. At alam mo, sa barkadahan, andyan rin yung pagnanais mo na diyan rin kayo magtutulungan eh. And in fact, siguro itong issue kung sana nadama yung pangalan ni Mayor Bullet at pangalan ko dahil sa pagnanais namin na matulungan yung mga kaibigan namin.
Ang sinasabi doon sa mga vlogs na may mga nagsasabi na parang sugar daddy ka raw.
Pangit naman. Pangit naman pakinggan, sugar daddy.
Dominic Roque at saka... Natatawa tuloy yung yun nga. Yun nga, sugar daddy na binahay mo raw siya sa isang kondo na mamahaling kondo.
Okay. Okay. Ay, clarify ko lang, no?
O nga, Daddy Bullet.
Daddy na naman. Bakla na ako, matanda pa. Ano ba naman yan? Actually, yung condo, no, totoo, akin talaga yun. I've had it for quite some time, no. Congressman pa lang ako. Pre-selling pa nga, nakuha ko yan. Dalawa yan eh. Ginawa ko siyang Airbnb, but because of the pandemic, pinagbawalan kami i-open for Airbnb. And siyempre, as a friend, barkada, si Dom asked me if I wanted to have it rented. Eh, hindi ko naman ginagamit kasi I stay in the Pitan City now and I live in Alabang. So, syempre, ipaparent natin sa barkada natin for a good price. And natawa lang ako kung bakit tumalon yung issue from business to binahay na eh. Diba? So, sana naman itong mga nagkakalat, yung mga that are claiming that they are mga batikang journalists, no? Sana naman, ingat-ingat din kasi they have a responsibility to the people na dapat fact-finding. Hindi yung nalaman nila na nasa pangalan ko yung kondo, sugar daddy na ako bigla, di ba? So, hindi ba pwedeng nirent? Hindi ba pwedeng binibenta? There's so many, tumalon ka agad eh. Ang problema doon, sinakyan eh, ginagaslight nila yung issue eh. And naawa rin kami kay Dom kasi syempre, affected na nga yung tao sa breakup, ililink pa kami sa kanya. So kami, pinagtatawanan lang talaga namin. But at some point, no, kailangan talaga tumigil. And I think these people have to also be reprimanded. No? Kailangan may consequences din yung may batas tayo eh. No? So,
Pero
Bullet Jalosos, the mayor of Dapitan, in an interview, Viva J. Ruiz of Centro Artista, expressed pity toward Dominic Roque. The Dapitan local chief executive and son of former Congressman Romeo Jalosos said that the actor, aside from feeling hurt from his breakup with multi-awarded actress Bea Alonzo, is being romantically linked to the mayor, whom rumors also say is the sugar daddy of Dom. Naawa rin kami kay Dom. Affected na nga yung tao sa breakup, ililink pa kami sa kanya, Mayor Bullet said. He also said that they would laugh at such rumors, though said that people who are spreading such should stop and reprimanded if there is a need to do such. Kami pinagtatawanan lang talaga namin pero at some point kailangan talagang tumigil and I think these people have to be reprimanded. Kailangan may consequences, may batas tayo, the Dapitan mayor said. He then issued a veiled warning to those spreading such rumors, saying some of them were veteran journalists and should watch what they're saying. Sana naman itong mga nagkakalat, claiming they are mga batikang journalist, sana naman ingat-ingat rin. They have responsibility to the people, dapat fact-finding, he said.
back then Pero ang usapan namin ni Dom, 50% lang, provided na aayusin niya. So inayos niya lahat, yung pinakita niya sa video, totoo yun. Inayos niya from the ground up. Sabi ko, sige, wala akong gagawin Kasi sira-sira na rin siya, tumutuklap na yung sahig, pinatiles na niya. Sabi ko, sige bro, ayusin mo. At least wala na akong gastos. At the same time, kumikita pa ako konti. No? So, he was already staying there for almost 3 years Matagal na rin So, ngayon na yun na, sinakyan pa nila. And at least, sana naman mas mataas na yung renta ngayon pagkatapos sa iwanan ni Dom yung unit, no? So, yun na.
Just para lang ma-clarify, no? May proof ka ba na talagang binabayaran mo?
Oo naman, pinadala ko sa yung text inaano ko nga siya pare bayaran mo na yung utang ko. Ganun. And I'd wait for a couple of months before he'd make the deposits Like, okay lang, sige lang. No problem, di naman ako nagmamadali. Importante, the place is being rented and hindi siya nasisira. So, wala namang ibang.
So, wala namang gumamit.
Yun na nga.
Yun na nga.
Hindi, pinapabayad ko sa kanya. Hindi pinahiram.
Oh.
Hindi ko na siya binahay Clarify lang ha. Baka kasi, nowadays sensitive na ako sa mga usapang ganyan. Kailangan, pati damit ko, kailangan talagang hindi pwedeng mag-pink. Hindi pwede. Nothing against the LGBTQ. Kaibigan tayo lahat. Pero hindi talaga ako. So, I guess.
Kay Kong Bong naman, sa'yo naman, iba naman ba to sa issue? Alam naman natin na ambassador si Dominic Roque sa mga clean fuel gasoline stations mo. Ngayon naman, sinasabi na binigyan mo raw siya ng gasolinahan.
Well, alam mo, kagaya ng sinabi ni Boleta, it's very easy naman to find the truth kung talagang itong mga sinasabi natin mga batikang reporters, journalists, kung gusto nila malaman kung ano ito madaling malaman naman eh. Pero siyempre, kung ang purpose is yung pang-iintriga, then it doesn't matter kung ano yung totoo. Si Dom, as I mentioned, from being a friend na mahilig sa motor, nangangarera yan eh. Parang si Mayor Bullet, nangangarera ng motorsiklo yan dati eh. So because mahilig rin siyang sa motorsports, nung nagkaroon ang kumpanya ko, yung Clean Fuel, nung nagkaroon kami ng team, yung Formula V, yun yung predecessor ng Vios Cup.
Okay.
So nung nagkaroon ng Formula V, I decided to get a team, to put a team doon sa karera na yan. And kinailangan ko ng celebrity driver. Kasi yung niyan, meron kaming professional driver, tapos nung kumuha rin kami ng celebrity driver. Siyempre, sino pa ba yung kukunin ko? Di kukunin ko na yung kaibigan ko to drive for us. So doon si Dominic yung naging celebrity driver. And then from there on, dahil alam mo, mabait si Dom, ginawa ko na rin siyang brand ambassador ng Clean Fuel. So, hindi lang ngayon yan eh, kung talagang, sabi ko nga, kung talagang magre-research lang, makikita nila na as early as 5 years ago, talagang brand ambassador na si Dominic. Ang nakakagulat nga, yung pinost pa nilang picture, yung contract signing namin ni Dom na kinukuha siyang endorser. Pero wala naman din katotohanan na binigyan siya ng gasoline na He's present doon sa yung contract signing na yon was yung contract signing between myself as president of Clean Fuel and him as yung aming brand ambassador.